Are you looking for the best 3D printers review? When it comes to 3D printing miniatures, the quality of your filament can make or break your project. Miniatures require fine detail, smooth finishes, and consistent material performance to bring designs to life. With a wide range of filaments available, it can be challenging to select the right one for your needs. In this review, we've tested and compared 5 popular PLA-based filaments.
Product number 1. Overture PLA filament. The Overture PLA filament is a budget-friendly option designed with precision and reliability in mind. Priced at $13.59, it offers a 1 kilogram spool with a dimensional accuracy of plus or minus 0.02 millimeters. The filament is vacuum sealed and dried for 24 hours to ensure a clog-free and bubble-free experience. Its compatibility with a wide range of FDM printers and lifetime satisfaction guarantee make it an appealing choice for new and experienced users alike. In our tests, the Overture filament delivered consistent results with minimal warping and excellent adhesion to the print bed. While it lacks the premium finish of higher-end filaments, it excels in producing reliable prints for prototyping and basic miniatures. However, the white color may not be ideal for those seeking vibrant finishes, and its lack of specialized properties, such as matte or carbon fiber, limits its use for advanced projects.
Product number 2. Sunlu PLA Matte 3D Printer. The Sunlu PLA matte filament stands out for its unique matte finish, which reduces gloss and conceals layer lines. This makes it an excellent choice for miniatures where surface aesthetics are critical. The 1 kg spool features dimensional accuracy of plus or minus 0.02 millimeters and is neatly wound to prevent tangles, ensuring smooth feeding. Sunlu also emphasizes its clog-free and bubble-free design, making it easy to work with. During testing, the matte finish provided a professional look, particularly for figurines and decorative pieces. The filament adhered well to the print bed and exhibited minimal stringing. However, its premium appearance comes at a slightly higher cost, and the matte texture may not appeal to users seeking high-gloss finishes. Additionally, the spool dimensions may not fit all printers without adjustments.
Product number 3. FlashForge Rapid PLA. The FlashForge Rapid PLA filament is engineered for high-speed printing, supporting speeds up to 500 millimeters per second. It maintains excellent layer adhesion and dimensional stability even at these speeds. The 1 kilogram spool is designed with enhanced winding technology to reduce tangling and blockages, making it ideal for users with tight deadlines or high-volume projects. In practical use, this filament excelled in reducing print times without compromising quality. The rapid melting and smooth flow allowed for intricate details, making it a strong contender for miniatures requiring quick turnaround. However, the high-speed capability may be underutilized on standard printers, and its price of $18.39 places it in the mid-range category, which may not appeal to budget-conscious buyers.
Product number 4. PLA 3D Printer Filament 1.75 millimeters. Strong Hero 3D's dual-color PLA filament offers a unique core shell co-extrusion design, creating a rock stone-like appearance. This aesthetic-focused filament is ideal for artistic miniatures and decorative pieces. The 1 kilogram spool is priced at $13.99, making it an affordable option for users seeking visual flair in their prints. While the dual-color effect is visually striking, the filament's performance was inconsistent in our tests. Layer adhesion and dimensional stability were less reliable compared to other options, and it required more fine-tuning to achieve optimal results. Additionally, the niche aesthetic limits its versatility for general-purpose printing.
Product number 5. Amelin Carbon Fiber PLA Filament. The Amelin Carbon Fiber PLA Filament Bundle is a premium option designed for strength and aesthetics. Containing 15% carbon fiber, it offers enhanced stiffness, reduced warping, and a matte finish. The bundle includes 4 200-gram spools in various colors, allowing users to experiment with different hues. Priced at $26.39, it targets advanced users and professionals. In testing, the Amelin filament delivered exceptional detail and durability, making it ideal for functional miniatures and complex designs.
The carbon fiber reinforcement improved layer adhesion and reduced print failures. However, its higher cost and smaller spool size may deter casual users, and the abrasive nature of carbon fiber requires a hardened nozzle for long-term use.